guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a very awaited one. It is the how to make money as a teenager video. All these ideas are not spam at all. You can use them. They are very realistic, and I'm going to show you 10 ways how to make money as a teenager. But if you're not a teenager, if you're an older person or if you're middle age, basically anyone can do most of these things. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at samraddhi.Awasthi and on Twitter at samraddhi07, where I post more of these content. So yeah, let's just get started. The very first way to make money as a teenager is to sell your own video-based courses. Now you can start your own video course and you can sell them online, and people can subscribe to you and you'll get the money. So I know a few of those apps by which you can become a teacher or sell your own course there. One of them is Skillshare. I have personally worked with them. They are amazing. You can become a teacher on Skillshare. Second one is Graphy. I'll leave the link to both of these down in the description, along with all the other things which are supposed to be linked, so make sure you check them out. So how this works is basically you find your talent, and suppose I am good at making videos or I am good at editing videos. So suppose I want to make a course on how to edit videos for beginners. So I prepare like a complete thing. I film myself and then I edit the whole thing and then I put it on the app or the website, and then I also choose a price. So suppose I choose to make a class on how to edit videos for beginners, and then I create all the chapters. First one contains how to add text, second one contains how to cut, third one contains how to import, and so and so. So you can create that, and after that you can determine a price. Now a small share will be taken by the company or by the platform that you're putting your course in, and then after you have determined your price, suppose I have determined that I want to sell my course at 500 rupees. So if people subscribe to my course or they buy my course, I will get a good share of that money. So that's a great way to make money. The second way to make money online is by selling old things online. Now you can sell your old furniture, your old clothes, your old shoes. I know a couple of good websites which actually buy these things. One of them has been very popular. It's OLX, and you can make money through that. OLX, ThreadUp, Etsy. There are a bunch of those where you can actually sell your old clothes, your old furniture, but make sure you're choosing a realistic price. I know people at OLX who put the old items price more than the same actual new item. Suppose I want to buy a new camera and the new one costs rupees 45,000, but someone is selling the exact same model for 50,000, but it is old. So obviously I will buy the new one, right? So make sure you choose the price realistically, that if it is an old camera, maybe I can sell it for 25,000, because then people will actually buy it. So the third way to make money as a teenager is to sell photographs online. So if you like to take photos, you can sell them on websites like Getty, where they buy it. From there people will pay and you will get like money. So you get money. So how this works is basically you need a professional camera. Phone photographs will not do as well. So until and unless you are like a professional photographer, or maybe not even a professional, if you have a camera and if you click good photos, this is a great option. I have a camera. I do not do this, but I have thought about it in the past. It's a great way to make some good money. Like you can make some money over there. So again, as I said, I'll leave the website in the description so you can check it out. The fourth way is to write transcripts at Go Transcripts. Now what this is basically they give you a writing job and you can speak it. It's very hard to explain. So what you do is basically they give you a writing and you have to translate it. Like you have to speak it up and they record it and they sell you, like they give you money for that. So it's basically like voice acting, you can say, but it's like not acting. It's just reading those things very fluently. So if you have fluent English, then this is a great option for you. I'll again leave the website Go Transcript in the description box below, and it's a great way to make money. The fifth idea is to do local jobs. Now I know we live in India and people here will think कि छोटा काम है, but it's actually not that bad. Like some people do some local jobs here and there, get some internships. It will also help you in your college applications and in the future as well. So you can get some internships, or you can get some local jobs, or even like you can ask your parents like if you can wash the car, and in return they can actually pay you, or you can, yeah, that's what you can do. Or you can water your plants and then ask your parents for the money, or you can take like help the neighbors in babysitting their baby. But I know I know that like in India people don't think that it is a great way to earn money, because they think it as a chota kaam, like a small job, a petty job, but it's not that way. So if you're a teen, it's a great way to make money like that.
So I forgot to tell you, but there's also one other way by which you can make money by doing a local job. You can ask your local like shops if they need a social media manager, and you can manage their social media like Instagram, Twitter and all those things. So you can manage the Instagram pages, and that way you can earn some good money.
The sixth way you can actually make money as a teenager is tutoring. Now if you are a little older, like if you're my age, 17 or 18 or 16, not lower than 16, but if you're at least like 16 years old, then you can actually tutor younger kids. There's some online tutoring websites where you can tutor, or you can tutor locally as well, or you can set up like online tuition sort of in a Zoom meeting, and where you can teach your juniors. So that's a great way to make good money, because tutoring offers quite a good money if you use it well. And the websites that I'm talking about are right here on the screen. I'll leave them in the description box below. I'm sure that you at least know one good language. Like all of the Indians are bilingual, like we know at least 2 languages. So for me it's English and Hindi, so I am pretty sure that you're fluent in both of those. So you can tutor English, or you can tutor Hindi, or anything. Basically there are a bunch of like subjects which you can tutor for, and find the one which you're good at and you can tutor. The seventh idea to make money as a teenager is to sell digital prints on Creative Market. Now Creative Market is a website where you can buy and sell digital prints. Now digital pictures, frames, everything like that. You can make your own illustrations. So if you're actually good at making illustrations, then this shop is right for you. You don't need much, you just need like an iPad and your phone, and that's basically all you need. Even if you don't have an iPad, you can still try it on your phone or your laptop. It works either way, and you can sell your prints online. Another easy way to do this is if you paint or if you draw, then you can scan your pictures and sell them online on Creative Market, and you can make some good money over there. The eighth way to make money as a teenager, or basically anyone can do this, is to take surveys online. Now I personally have taken surveys online, and they pay you for each survey you take, but the money is less. I'm not going to lie. The website which I have used is called Rakuten. Now I just did it because I was bored. I did not do it for the money, because the money is quite less. I'm not even going to lie about this, but yeah, it's a very great way to make money for example, if you want to buy something, instead of asking the money from your parents, you can actually take some surveys and get some like money for yourself. So how this basically works is you can register on Rakuten, and they will connect you to like the companies, and they'll email you if you've matched a survey, and you can participate in the survey, and each survey costs differently. For different answers it's different. So minimum it is 1 rupees, but maximum it can be 30 rupees for each survey. So you don't have to do anything, you just have to answer a few questions, and they'll give you like 30 rupees for each survey, which is great. So I'll leave the link, Rakuten's website, down in the description box below. So the ninth way to make money as a teenager is to sell your own merchandise. Now you don't have to be a YouTuber, do not have to be famous to do this. Basically anyone of any age can do this, if you know how to use a basic computer, obviously. So all you have to do is to sign up on Redbubble, and there you can just put up your design which you have, and you can put it on different things like mugs, hoodies, shirts, you name it, and you basically have it there. So you do not have to do anything. They'll just take a small commission from it and they'll send it to the person who is buying it, and you'll get like entire money for yourself basically. So it's very easy. I'll just explain it right here. So suppose I want to sell a t-shirt and I have a design which says Samraddhi Awasthi. So what I want to do is I'll just take my print. It's Samraddhi Awasthi. I have created it digitally. It's a digital print, and I'll just take it and put it on the website, and from there I can choose if I want to sell t-shirts of that, if I want to sell mugs of that, if I want to sell bottles or like hoodies, sweatshirts, whatever. So you can just put it there and they will display it on the website from where people can buy your designed clothes or shoes or whatever. So basically that's that. It's very easy. You can sign up there and you can earn some like good money from there. I'm not even kidding. The money is really good if you know how to work it properly. The last thing is to sell on Etsy. Now Etsy is a great website. It's the same as like Redbubble and Creative Market. You can basically sell anything over there, but the item should be unique. You can also sell old things over there, by the way, on Etsy. So all you have to do is to sign up, create your own site, and I think like Etsy is a little bit hard for like a beginner who does not know anything about marketing and business. But again, as I said, there's no age for learning. You can learn right now and you can earn some good money on Etsy. I have created my own shop on Etsy as well, but I have not like made it public yet. I have some designs over there which I'm going to sell. I think I am, but you need to have a little bit of knowledge, but that's what YouTube is for. You can basically find a bunch of tutorials on how to sell on Etsy, and I'm sure you'll figure it out. And if you made it to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a bonus. You can actually make money through affiliate marketing. Like the links you see in my description of Amazon, those are affiliate marketing. So if someone buys the things through my link, I will get a commission of that, suppose 10%. So suppose if I told you guys that I bought this pillow from Amazon, and I will leave the link to it in the description box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to register myself at Amazon, and after registering myself, I'll sign up for their affiliate marketing program. It's very simple. You can just simply sign up there, and from there I will search the link for this particular pillow, and I will leave the link in the description. So when people buy through my personal link, I will get a commission. It depends on how much the commission is. Like it can vary from things to things, from brands to brands, different. So it's very simple to do. You can even like sell it to your relatives. You can send the link to your relatives, and if they buy something through like affiliate marketing, then you will get a commission without even doing anything. Keep in mind, you do not need to do anything, like literally anything. You just need to search up the link, and if someone buys through your personal link, you'll get a commission. That's all. So that is all for this video, guys. I really hope you all like it. I hope that this video was informative and useful. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at samraddhi.fanmail and on my Twitter at samraddhi07. Shout out goes to Ranjit Kaur. If you want to be next week's shout out, all you have to do is to be a subscriber of this channel and comment below anything you like, and that's all. You can get a shout out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday with a brand new video. Bye.